Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of contracted articles in French. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on grammar knowledge, this video is for you. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So, without any more delay, let's get started. So in this video, we will be diving into contracted articles known as les articles contractés in French. We have three types of articles: definite articles, indefinite articles, and contracted articles. Contracted articles are used with two prepositions, either a or the. I have divided the video into two parts. In the first video, we are going to learn the preposition a, and in the second video, we will discuss the preposition the. A, a which means in, at, or to, and the article which means of, from, or about. Before we jump into contracted articles, let's quickly review the different types of articles in French. So, we have four forms of contracted articles: a, or, la, or, apostrophe. The indefinite articles in French are un, they. Un for masculine singular nouns, in for feminine singular nouns, and they for both masculine and feminine plural nouns. A and un can be translated as a or an in English, while they is often translated as some in English. These articles help us specify whether we are talking about one thing or more than one, and whether the thing is masculine or feminine. If you do not know what indefinite articles are, you can watch the video. I will be dropping the link in the comment section. You can watch the video there. The second type of article is the definite articles. In French, they are le, la, le, and le apostrophe, all of which means the. If you don't know what definite articles are, I am dropping the link again below. You can watch it there. In this video, we are going to learn third type of article, which is contracted articles. In this video, we are diving into the third type of article, which is contracted articles. Let's explore how to use them to speak French more naturally. Ready to get started? So, what are contracted articles? Contracted articles are formed with the preposition and the definite articles. What does that mean? We have two prepositions here, a and the. What is a? It means in, at, or to. So the preposition a means in, at, or to. The means of, from, or about. If I do not want to say in, at, or to, rather I want to say in the, at the, or to the, then we will have to add the before the preposition. When you add the to the preposition a, whatever is formed is your contracted article. So, what is the in French? Just as I told you earlier, le, la, le, l'apostrophe. If you want to say in the, at the, or to the in French, you add the which is le, la, le, or l'apostrophe to the preposition a. So here you have four options: a and le, a and la, a and le, a and le apostrophe. And what we get are some contractions that happens. That is why these articles are known as the contracted articles, because here we have certain contractions. A plus L becomes A. A plus L doesn't say together. The contraction happens and it becomes A. A plus L becomes AL. A plus La stays the same. It's written exactly in the same manner as Allah, so there is no change. A plus Le becomes O. AUX. A plus Le together becomes O. AUX. The pronunciation is the same for O and O. A plus L apostrophe becomes AL apostrophe. A plus L apostrophe, again there is no change, so it's A L apostrophe. So in the second and fourth cases, you do not have to any change. A plus L becomes O. A plus La becomes Ala. A plus Le becomes O. A plus La apostrophe becomes Ala apostrophe. The meaning of all four of them would be in the, at the, or to the. Why? Because A means in the, at the, or to the, and La, La, Le, La apostrophe means the. La is used for masculine singular. La is used for feminine singular. And Le is used for plural, and La apostrophe is used for vowel, and it should be singular also. For all cases in the, to the, at the, for masculine singular, it's AU. For all the cases of in the, to the, at the, for feminine singular, it's ALA. For all the cases in the, to the, at the, for vowel singular, it's ALA apostrophe. For all the cases of in the, to the, at the, for plural is AUX, and they should be singular also. I hope you understand the preposition are now. Let's do some exercise to make it clearer. I have written some examples where we will be applying contracted articles with the preposition are. So, as we know that there are four forms of contracted articles are o, alla, o, and alla apostrophe. With the preposition are, which is o, for masculine singular nouns, for feminine singular nouns, we use alla. If the noun starts with a vowel, we use al apostrophe, and for plural nouns, we use AUX. So, there are four forms: O, alla, alla apostrophe, and AUX O. So, here we have specific examples where we are going to apply on these sentences contract article avec a. These examples are very easy to do once you grab the concept. Here we have certain examples where we apply in the, at the, to the. Let's begin with the first example. Les enfants parlent dash professor. First, let's translate into English to understand it better. The children speak dash professor. The meaning that will come out is the children speak to the professor. So, the meaning should be absolutely clear. It should be either in the, at the, or to the. So, here we write, the children speak to the professor. Now, to write in French, we need to choose the correct preposition based on the gender and number of the noun professor. In French, professor is a masculine singular noun. Therefore, the correct preposition to use would be or to the. That you will select by looking at the word which is next to the dash. So, the word next to the dash is professor. So, you have to look whether the professor word is masculine, feminine, plural, or a vowel. What is it? As we know, professor word is masculine singular, so we write here au. Therefore, the sentence in French is les enfants parlent en professeur. The children speak to the professor. Let's move to the next sentence. Nous donnons les biscuits dash enfants. Let's translate in English. We give the disc dash children. So, the meaning of the sentence is we give the disc to the children. So, the meaning is perfectly clear. It should be either in the, at the, or to the. Now, you have to select one amongst these four, and the selection you do by looking at the word next to the dash. The word next to the dash is enfant, which is very clearly plural. So, if it is plural, you will not look at anything else, and if it is plural, it will always be of. Who pronounce these two sentences it as les enfants parlent au professeur. The children speak to the professor. Nous donnons le disque aux enfants. We gave the disc to the children. See here, the word enfant begins with a vowel E. But we do not write apostrophe here because enfant is a plural word. So we write a here with the word is singular and begins with a vowel. Only then we use this option apostrophe. I hope you understand the difference. We give the disc to the children. Let's move to the third sentence. Les enfants parlent dash institutrice. The boy says hello dash teacher. The meaning of the sentence is the boy says hello will you say in English to the teacher. So the meaning is very clear. It should be either in the, at the or to the. The boy says hello to the teacher. The word institutrice, which is of course not plural but begins with a vowel. So if it begins with a vowel, you are of course going to use apostrophe because the word institutrice is singular and begins with a vowel I. So if the word is singular and begins with a vowel, we are going to use apostrophe. Les enfants parlent à l'institutrice. The boy says hello to the teacher. Let's move to the fourth sentence. Il va dash école à pied. He goes dash verb is aller dash school on foot. He goes to the school on the foot. So after the word is école word is not plural but begins with a vowel e and it is singular. So again you are going to use apostrophe. Il va apostrophe école à pied. He goes to the school on the foot. Let's move to the fifth sentence. Vous parlez dash petite fille. You speak dash small girl. You speak to the small girl. Again the meaning is to the, so you look at the word next to the dash. To select one amongst these four, petite fille is feminine singular. See how you will select. First, see if it is plural. It is not plural. Then see if it begins with a vowel. No, it doesn't begin with a vowel. Then check if it is masculine or feminine. Of course, fille is feminine and singular. So we use the option à la, feminine singular. Vous parlez à la petite fille. You speak to the small girl. Sixth sentence. Nous allons dash montagne pour skier. We go dash mountain for skiing. Again, their meaning is to the. We go to the mountain for skiing. Again, you have to look the word next to the dash. Montagne, follow this order. Is it is plural? No. It is not plural. Does it begin with a vowel? No. Then check if it is masculine or singular. Of course, it ends with E, so it is feminine. Nous allons à la montagne pour skier. We go to the mountain for skiing. Well, that's all for the day. We hope this video has been helpful in your French learning journey. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about French grammar. Thank you for watching.